Hello again, and thank you for revisiting the Idea Center. My name is Mr. Haberstroh. Let's see what's going on today. One of the electives we offer at Gould is 3D CAD and printing. Students learn an industry-level CAD program, designing different projects, and actually watching them come to life on a 3D printer. Here are students making a model Bugatti Veyron. Here's one of the wheels that they designed. Another project that we're doing is to help the COVID-19 situation is we're designing face mask holders that use page protectors as a makeshift face shield. And we're going to share these with needy communities. Underwater robotics is one of our new electives that is unique to Gould. Students build their own ROVs, test them in lakes and pools, and then use them for scientific research. In our underwater robotics fleet, we also have a Trident, which takes very high quality video. Here's some work we did for the Portland Water District. We just got in a new ROV called a Blue ROV. This has amazing video capability and underwater maneuverability. Students will be building this in the next class. The most exciting part of the underwater robotics class is our Remus 100. This is unique to Gould, and this is on loan from the Navy. It's a decommissioned Navy drone that they have given us to use for scientific research and to teach students how to use a craft like this. Here it is in action, and this is just an amazing opportunity for Gould students. Another elective we have is electronics and Arduino. Students learn to rapidly prototype circuit boards and learn all the fundamentals of electronics. Robotics is a big part of the curriculum here, and we have the VEX system. Students build robots to perform on this competition course. Included in our robotics are aerial drones that we use to make really high quality aerial videos. Here's one we did near our fat biking trails. In this class, students can make their own skis and snowboards by hand, cutting base material, adding edges, and making the different layers. In our physical lab, we have industrial quality CNC routers, table saws, drill presses, every tool imaginable for any project that you can think of. Here's a project that we did where we took a scrap piece of wood and we're going to make a nice phone holder out of it. First we're going to do is cut a groove in it using our table saw and a special dado blade. Then we're going to laser engrave the school logo on it. Watch this. Just one of the amazing tools we have here at Gould is a 50-watt laser engraver. After engraving it, we're going to finish it with a little oil. And here's what the finished product looks like. We did this all in one class. Just a sample of some of the fun things we do in the Foundations for Makers class. So here we have our to-do list, and I want to thank everyone for revisiting the Ideas Center at Gould Academy.